Okay, well, I got the rear end all welded up. Now it's time to start working on the frame. Okay, there we go. Here it is. A little hard to see with all these other bars in the way, but here she is. Yeah, I've got to clean it off a little bit. Did a little bit of grinding. Drilled the holes and everything for the pillow block bearings. Now let's go in here, and I'm working on the frame of the cart itself. And there we go. Got most of it all cut. Made a few mistakes. I'll show you with that here. Okay, so you can see back there, my clamp right there is on that bar. That's the first bar that I cut. I then cut these two, these two, these two, and then I haven't done the front yet. Then I cut the center bar, and then these two back ones right here. And this is all tacked together as it is now. When I started putting this all together and tacking it together and doing the angles and all, come to realize that up here towards the front, you can see that I've got this gap. Well, I ended up cutting these two bars a little too long. Wasn't paying attention, so now I've got, well, actually they're a little bit over, but now I've got this big gap right here. So what I'm going to do is, this gap right here is a 1/2 inch gap. So I'm going to measure up these two bars here, and then I'm going to cut off, using my cutting wheels, I'm going to cut off a 1/2 inch right here. Kind of makes me a little mad because I've got the plan sitting right in front of me too, so over there on the chop saw. I cut these out. Now once I get that done, I'll be then doing the back support, and then from the back support I'll be doing another frame exactly like this, the outside part, that'll be cut and coming down and taper in like that. And so we're going to have a dual frame type of thing here. Okay guys, I've got the frame outside cooling off, and I thought what I would do is I'd bring in the rear end here, and I'm going to show you guys a little. So I've welded there, and I've ground it down, but now, see what it looks like? What I'm going to do now is I'm going to use one of these things. One of these little sandpaper rollers on my grinder. I'm going to show you what the finished product's going to look like when you use one of these. So what I did is I welded, I grinded, and then I'm going to use one of these. So, take a good look at what it looks like now. Now I'm going to go to town with this thing. Alright, there we go. Just got done using it. I would have recorded me doing it though, you guys, but my battery's getting ready to die on my camera here. So, see, it comes out looking all nice and shiny, and it smooths out those welds. Yeah, couldn't really get in there with that thing, but yeah, makes it look all nice. Almost like what a wire thing does. Oh, see that right there? Those are those gaps I was telling you about. Yeah. Probably take some plugs or something and cover those up. Probably. Yeah. Looking good. This actually turned out a lot better than what I expected it to. The welds are all nice and... But when you grind down a weld, sometimes, depending upon how much it penetrated the steel, sometimes the weld won't hold and it'll crack. We'll find that out the hard way. Yep. Get close, better close up here of that. There's one of these things. I got a new one down here. Chicago Electric. This one here is from Harbor Freight, and this one here is from well, yeah, this is from Harbor Freight too. Flap disc, 40 grit. What's this one? Oh, 80 grit. Wow, I didn't even look at that. Yeah, that's for the heavy duty stuff. Oh wait. No, this is for the finer stuff. Because the higher the number, the finer the grit is. The finer the sand is, or whatever you want to call it. But yeah, there we go. Alright, so now I got the Mainframe here. And like I told you, because I cut these pieces wrong, you know, I've got this gap here. So, and the gap is there only because these pieces are cut wrong. I had them too long. So, and I didn't realize it until I started tack welding and everything. So, if you get the plans and you have the same trouble I'm having, this is how you fix it. Measure all the way down to the very back of. That's going to be at 44 inches. You then move this over the very same point, and then you'll mark it with a Sharpie at 44 inches. Same over here. That's how you fix it. And I'm going to fix it right now. And then weld it on. Alright guys, there we go. Got that welded on there. And I started grinding it. And that's probably going to be almost like a half a day grinding there. Tomorrow, let's see here. Be working on that. That's going to be the backrest. It's going to be right back there. And yeah. So, alright guys, that's enough for today. I've been out here for about 9 hours and I'm a little tired. So, I'm going to go in the house and edit this video and put it up. Comment, tell me what you guys think of this, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.